Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to republish an unpublished page. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so the first thing that we'll do is to open the Facebook application. And once you've opened, all you have to do is to go to the menu. And you can do that by tapping on the menu icon on the top right part of your screen, right below the messenger icon. Let's go ahead and tap it. And once you've tapped on it, you will see this screen. And on here, you need to make sure that the account logged in is the account that you'd use when you've created the page. You can check that by checking on the profile tab right below the menu. As you can see, there is my profile name and the profile picture. Once you've made sure that you've logged in the correct account, all you have to do is scroll down for a little bit and head to the settings and privacy. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, the next thing or the next setting that we're looking for is the setting. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to the settings and privacy page. And on here, all you have to do is to scroll down for a little bit and look for the audience and visibility section. And in this section, the one we're looking for is the pages setting. Let's go ahead and tap it. And once you've tapped on it, you'll be transferred to this screen. As you can see, there is only one option, which is reactivate your pages. And to view the pages that has been unpublished or deactivated, all you have to do is tap on the word view. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see the list of the pages that has been unpublished or deactivated. And to reactivate it or republish, all you have to do is to tap on reactivate to reactivate the page. Let's go ahead and try and tap on reactivate. As you can see, once you've tapped on it, the page will be reactivated and you will be transferred to that profile. As you can see, this is my page. Let's go ahead and check. As you can see, the page's profile and the name is the one that is in the profile tab. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.